it's me, Juan, and we're gonna draw Fwog from Dawn of Fire, My Singing Monsters. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Hello guys, now I'm drawing the chest first. Now I'm drawing the left. Oops, forgot. I'll make it perfect. It's okay. Now just sketch it. Okay, now. Seriously? Now I'm gonna draw the hands. Yeah, hands. Hands. Here now the web. Here now the web. Get it? Now I'm drawing the first eye. Now second eye. Secondary eye. Second eye. Yeah, secondary eye. Get it? Now the third eye. Third eye. Now I'm gonna draw the crystal. Crystallize him. And what? Nah, that's a fake song. I'm not good at singing, okay? Okay? Please forgive me. I'm not good at singing. Now I'm gonna draw the tail. Now the other arm. The other arm. The other hand. Now draw the web. Now I'm gonna draw the web on the tail. Yeah, tail. On the tail. Now I'm gonna draw the spot. Spot, da. And now if you're done, now you add the finishing details on the lip. And now, what you do is trace them. Yeah, you just trace all of them. But now, for this time, I won't speak to you. Because it's the easy part, just one rule. Trace! Trace! It's the only rule. So guys, I'm not gonna speak, okay? I'm not gonna speak. The rules are easy. Okay, now you erase the excess parts that you didn't trace properly. Now you color. All you gotta do is just color with markers or color pencils. Let's use just one rule. Just one rule. Just one rule! Just one rule! That's so easy. I won't speak. I will not speak. Yeah, I won't speak. Purple. Yeah, purple. That color is purple, okay? This looks dark. Just looks dark. It just looks dark, but pink. I mean purple. I meant purple. 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 Yeah, I meant purple. Wait. Now I'm using a light purple. That's lavender. Now pink. Just use random colors that I use. Now that's orange. Okay? The other one I use is dark orange. Just follow my video's colors, okay? If you don't have them, then that's okay. You can just randomly color it purple or whatever, or pink or lavender or any color you want. Any color that I had in the video. That's green, okay? That's green. That's pink, okay? That's pink. Now color in the web's yellow. The web. Okay, now you're almost done. You color it. And now you add the finishing detail. And now you sign your paper in cursive, or if you don't want to do cursive and if you don't know what to do, then just write it normally. If you're up to grade 1. Practicing is the best. Wow. Okay. I'm coloring in the eyes now. I'm facing them. Okay, bye. See you. Okay, that's the end of Fwog, and that's the end of Fwog from my Singer Monsters Down 5. And see you in the next one. Bye. 3, 2, 1.